When the night is long and my strength is gone, I lift my voice and I carry on. Jah is my shepherd, I shall not fear. His truth surrounds me, His love is near. In the house of the Lord I find my rest. He planted my feet on solid ground. Even in the storm, His peace is found. I won't look back, His grace abound. So I walk in His light.